How to add full reel to Instagram story. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you would like to add a full reel to your Instagram story, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be a Wi Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, now you have to launch the very Play Store application on your mobile device. For that, after you find the Play Store application, you have to tap on that. After you tap on that, now in the search icon, you have to search this very application, that is Repost for IZ Post and Storage. And after you just search this very application, if you have not installed the application on your mobile device, you have to install it. And after you have already installed it on your very mobile device, now what you have to do is you have to go back, and after going back, now you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. For that, after you find the Instagram application, you have to tap on this and Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the Reels like icon on the downside. After you tap on the Reels like icon on the downside, now you can scroll downwards until you like the very reel that you like to share. And after you find it, you have to go to the share like option here, and then you have to go to the next option, that is the option of the copy the link. Now after you tap on the option of the copy the link, you have to close the Instagram like this. And after you close the Instagram like this, now you have to open the very application that you had installed, that is the Repost for IZ application. And after you tap on it, now you can see that the Repost for IZ application will be launched on your mobile device, and the very link that you had copied, it will be shown here, and the very link of the very type of reel that you had just copied will be shown here in the application of the Repost. You have to wait for a while. You can see like this. Now you have to tap on the reel like this, and after you tap on the reel like this, now you have the two options, add to story and post to feed. Now since we would like to share this very post to our very story out there, we have to tap on the option of add to story, and after we tap on that, now the very reel will be added to our story. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.